For lesson 6, we are going to be talking about finding, or about triangles and then finding missing values given what we know about triangles. So I'm not going to go over this right here. I think most of you know this, but just a couple of reminders for classifying triangles by sides and by angles. What we're going to focus on is actually solving problems and finding missing angle measures. So what we need to remember about triangles is that the 3 angles in a triangle should add up to 180 degrees. So if we are trying to find these missing angles, I can set up an equation and set it equal to 180. So our first angle, 2x plus 5, plus our second angle, 7x plus 4, plus our third angle, 5x plus 3, should equal a sum of 180. I'm going to combine my like terms. 2x, 7x, and 5x is a total of 14x, plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 is a total of 12, equals a sum of 180. Subtract 12 from both sides. We get 14x equals 168. Divide each side by 14, and we should get that x equals 12. So we know our x value is 12. Now I can go back and plug in to solve the missing measures for the rest of the angles. So this one is 2 times 12 plus 5. 2 times 12 is 24, plus 5 equals 29 degrees. So angle U is 29 degrees. This one we've got 7x plus 4, so 7 times 12 plus 4. 7 times 12 is 84, plus 4 is 88 degrees. And then 5x plus 3, 5 times 12 plus 3. Well, 5 times 12 is 60, plus 3 is 63 degrees. But then I'm going to double check to make sure I didn't make any silly mistakes. 88 plus 29 plus 33 gives me, whoopsies, plus 63. 88 plus 29 plus 63 gives me a total of 180, which should be the sum. All right, number 2. This one's a little bit tricky. You have to think a little bit more outside the box, but same idea, that the sum of the angles should add up to 180. The problem is we are only given 2 angles within the triangle. We're missing this angle here. But if we know that that is 100, or that one is 20x, this missing triangle measure should be the supplement to that. So I could find this missing triangle angle right here by doing 180 minus 20x, because it's the supplement. They should add up to 180, so to find this one specifically, we would subtract that part. Now I can set up an equation just looking at the 3 triangle measures, and we can worry about the 20x later. So I can set up an equation. 60 plus 180 minus 20x plus 7x plus 5 should equal a sum of 180. So I'm going to simplify. We've got 60 plus 180, so that's 240. We have, and plus 5, so 245 is what I meant to write. And then we have negative 20x plus 7x is negative 13x equals 180. I'm going to subtract 245 from both sides. We get negative 13x equals 180 minus 245 is negative 65. Then we're going to divide these both by negative 13, and we get x equals positive 5. So our x value is positive 5. Now we can plug in to find the other 2 measures. So b to u we have first, so 20 times our x value of 5 gives us 100. And then here, 7 times 5 plus 5. Well, 7 times 5 is 35, plus 5 is 40 degrees. Which, if we double check here, 20 times 5 is 100, so 180 minus 100 would be 80. So does 80 plus 60 plus 40 give us 180 degrees? Yes. And that's it.